What is up with everybody this morning? It's vlog number 8 on Sunday, and I'm feeling good, feeling blessed. And y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel, And yeah, stay tuned for this vlog.
Look, I gotta stay focused, try to stay on track, give the world a couple things that it lacks, honesty, integrity, that shit that used to matter. Instead of always talking about your pockets getting fatter, let them know your struggle, tell them what you overcame. We all starving artists trying to get up in this game, caught up in the fame.
Damn, seeing that tow up ass car. Shit. Damn.
Ain't got no damn rims.
Oh shit. God damn, that hoe towed the fuck on. CJ bought that bitch. That hoe kinda fresh, goddamn.
Damn towels.
Shit. I'll bring an extra one. See, we just pulled up, goddamn, waiting on his black ass to come outside.
He extra black ass. He need to hurry his ass up.
Oh God, he do need to call his ass. In the club, I been in there,
Shit. Who this is? Who little mama is right here? Damn.
It's probably Oz's sister. You know, Oz live right there in goddamn 2. He stay in 1, she stay in 2. And how the fuck you a senior, you graduated, and you in summer school?
She ain't got all her credits, that's all that is.
And she trip.
Alright, that's why I don't fool around like that.
That niggas finally came outside, goddamn. Blocky 4. Shit. So we just made it out this hoe?
About seeing the hoes anyway.
Yeah, they gonna go back and watch them hoes. Thought you supposed to be at work.
Yeah.
You off. So hey, then you get off the game, good getting the ad whoop, goddamn, talking about I gotta go to work, goddamn. Hey, that came right there, hoe. Hey, yeah, you gonna see it, so yeah, it's lacking, boy. Yeah, fucked up.
So I'm back, and finally did something, for the vlog for the first time. Did something fun, a little something, even though it wasn't all that, but just trying something new, trying to see how I can work things out. And yeah, shout out to Hypephens. He had something to do, thought of something we can do. And yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put his YouTube channel in the link description below. Link description below. And yeah, probably in this vlog right here. And go take a shower, get something to eat, and call it a night. But yeah, there's nothing else. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, go after what you want. Go after what you want. But I'm out.